Hey guys, we're going to do just quick 3 problems here just to review our positive, negative, and zero exponent rules. Just right below here, I'm going to just do a quick summary. A to the 0 power, so anything to the 0 power is 1. And then if we do anything to the negative power, it's going to change the spot. So if it's on top, it's going to end up on the bottom. And if I had 1 over the -2, this would become a squared. Okay, so we're going to kind of use those little rules in the bottom right to help us solve these problems up over here. So I'm going to switch colors here, and let's go ahead and look at this first one. So I'm going to first write in the fraction bar, okay, and I'm going to keep things consistent. But first thing I want to look at are the numbers. So I see 4 and 2. Can I reduce that fraction? Right, that's a fraction, right? This is a fraction bar. 4 over 2 would reduce down to 2 over 1. So I'm going to put a 2 up here. I can put a 1 down here. I don't have to, but I'm going to for the time being. And now we're going to move into any negative exponents or zero exponents. X squared is fine. We don't know what it is. We're just going to leave it where it is. N to the -4th means it's going to go to the bottom. And y to the -3rd means it's going to come upstairs. This is my final answer right there. Now if I want, I could go ahead and eliminate that 1 because it is actually not a necessary value to have. And that's my final answer. Alright, our next problem, again, we're going to look at our 16 over 4. And I know that would reduce to 4 over 1. Y to the -3rd is going to come downstairs. And the x squared is already down there, so I'm going to leave the x squared alone. Y to the 3rd. Now w is going to move up and z is going to stay up. So we're going to get w to the 2nd power and z to the 4th power. And there we go. Again, we could get rid of the 1 if we want. Notice you kind of want to try and keep your variables in order, usually by letter or by degree. In this case, 2 comes before 3, 2 becomes 4, x also comes before y, w becomes before z. Alright, last one here. Again, I'm going to set up that fraction bar first. I'm going to look at 15 over 17, and unfortunately we can't reduce anything, so I'm just going to leave 15 and 7 where they are. X to the 0 power becomes 1, so it essentially kind of disappears in this situation, and the y to the -3 goes to the bottom. M squared stays there, and so we end up with an equation that looks like this, or a reduced piece that looks like this. So we're going to get more practice with this. So anyways, that's all for today. And I think that's all I want to say, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Toodles later.